Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar class 3 chapter 10 articles a and the articles. So students, take out your grammar textbook and open the chapter number 10 a and the article. Now students, see grammar textbook page number 39 chapter 10 a and the article. So let's see this chapter. The words a and the are called articles. So what we call these three, a and they are called articles. articles, articles. So they are called articles. So underline this sentence that a and the are called articles. Articles are used before naming words or nouns. So when we use articles a and the, we use before naming words or nouns. So we use this article before the naming words. So look at this naming words are given here. So here the a is used before consonant sound. So look at this a. So the book is the consonant sound is there. So a book, a cat, a dog, a dog. So like that we can use a before consonant sound. So second one is before things we can count. So when we use articles before things we can count. So let's see the first sentence. Give me a paper. Give me a roll of paper. So when we say give me a paper, that's wrong. We cannot say a paper. What we have to say, give me a roll of or a piece of paper. So that is a right sentence and the right use of articles. Now let's see the third one. To show one person, place, animal or thing. So when we use articles to show one person, animals or things. So let's see the first sentence here. A girl and a boy went up the hills. Chennai is a city. A dog ran after a cat. Please give me a pen. So here the articles a is used before a girl, a boy went up the hill. So Chennai is a city. For Chennai the a is used here. Chennai is a city. So for the city a is used. Then the next one, a dog. So a dog ran after a cat. So cat, for the cat and the dog a article used. And the last one, please give me a pen. So for the thing, pen, here we have used a article. So this article shows one person, place, animal or thing. So the articles a used to show one person, place, animal or thing. So underline this sentence in your textbook. Now second article is an article. An is used before vowel sound. So when the vowels are there, 5 vowels are there, that you have to know, that is a, e, I, o, u. So for that we have used an articles. Okay, so let's see here, the picture is here, an owl, an igloo, an umbrella. So which vowels are here? O, I and u vowels are used here. So vowel sound is there, that's why we have used an article in these three pictures. So an owl, an igloo and an umbrella. So before things we can count. An owl flew into my house today. So when we use an articles before things we can count. So for that we use an articles. And this example is an owl flew into my house today. Now the third one, Now what like a article, here also the a is n is used to show one person, place, animal or thing, but the vowel sound should be there. So an artist. So here in this spelling of artist, a vowel sound is there. That's why an artist drew an elephant. So here the e vowels is there. That's why an elephant. An artist drew an elephant. Second one, I eat an apple. So in the spelling of apple, a vowel sound is there. That's why an is used. So I eat an apple every day. Third one, I came to an unknown place. So for the unknown, u sound is there, vowel sound is there. That's why n is used. So remember this thing while doing the articles in the blanks. Now look, this note is here. Words like university or European begins with a Y sound. So A is used before them. So students, look here. Here the university and European. In this spelling, the U and is sound is like a Y sound. तो यहाँ पे Y sound होता है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? ए यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि ये कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड हो जाता है यहाँ पे जब हम उसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तब. ओके, सो दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्ड्स लाइक अवर और ऑनेस्टी have a silent H. So when we are speaking the word HOUR, our or honesty, 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 we are not speaking the H here. So H is silent in these words. So before them, so N is used before them. So at that time what we have to use? N we have to use, because of their O sound. So here the sound is O. That's why we are using N. Now the third one is the article. So first one is before uncountable nouns. So the is used before uncountable nouns. So for example, the water flowed out of the pot. So for the water we have used the article. The second one, when we are talking about a specific noun. So for the specific noun, when we are talking about, we have to use the article. So look at the example here. The teacher who met me was very nice. So here for the teacher we have used the articles. So like that you can use the articles also in the specific noun. Let's do exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with A or N. So let's do it. 1 number, I have dash umbrella which is red in color. So what is the answer? An umbrella. She studies at university. So a university. So students, here the sound is Y. That's why we have put A. And here the vowel sound is there. That's why we have put an umbrella. And here a university. Hina bought pair of bangles. So a pair of bangles. So A is the answer. Geeta lives in apartment. So an apartment. Here's the vowel sound is there. Apartment. So an apartment. Now the fifth one. Would you like piece of cake? So article A is used. A piece of cake. It has been hour since you came. So here the H is silent. That's where we are pronounce hour. So the vowel sound is there. That's why we put an hour. So N is the answer. Harry is honest boy. So here also the H is silent. So we are reading honest. So vowel sound is there. That's why an honest boy. Will you have an omelette? So here the O is vowel sound. That's why an omelette. So like this you have to put in your textbook. Now next one, exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with A, N or the article. So here 3 articles are together. So first one, pass me bowl of popcorn on your lap. So the bowl of popcorn. So here the specific noun is there, that's why the is used. Next one, Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. So the Victoria. So here also the is used for the specific noun. Give me place in your teams. Give me a place. So here we use a. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. So a and the articles are used. Now the fifth one, have you met dancer who will perform tonight? So here the specific noun dancer is here, so there the is used. Now the sixth one, I took a break from work. Kinjal will be given a token at the counter. So a and the are used. Eighth one, life of worker is very hard. So the life of a worker is very hard. I ate sandwich and dash ice cream at the dash. So I ate a sandwich and ice cream at the cinema. So a is used, n is used for I is the vowel. Here the s is the consonants and the cinema is the specific noun, that's why the is used. Now students, let's move to exercise number 3. So here we have to put slash while the using and put the insert a and the articles. So first one is life is beautiful. So answer is life is a beautiful. Same, it's the same, no changes will be done. Woman at the shop is very polite. So here in the woman we have to put the slash and write the d here, the woman at the shop, and put the slash here, at the shop is very polite. Number 3, honey is sweeter than sugar. So here no changes will be done, it will be same. So fourth one, cat is killed red. So a cat is killed a red. So here we put a articles here. Number 5, make hay while sun shines. So for the sun is the only one, that's why we put the sun, the the sun. Now let's the next one, sixth one. Robin was chirping at dawn. So for the robin is the name of bird. So write the a article here, was chirping at the dawn. So for the dawn use the dawn. Nayan is a kind boy. So Nayan is a kind boy. A article will use. 8 number, I have not met honest man like him. So for honest man write an article, put the slash and put the an article here. Number 9, please bring the students to principal's office. So for the students and the principal, so we put the articles here. So these students to the principal's office. Number last one is 10 number. My garden has apple tree in middle. So what is the answer? Apple, for apple, an apple we have to write an apple. So my garden has an apple tree in middle. So students, our exercise number 3 is finished here. Now we will meet in our next lesson. Till then, bye students. Have a nice day. Thank you.